welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny Smith and I try to post every day. So, as you can tell by the title, this is how I make my slimes. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the things you'll be needing are glue. Here's a 50 gallon. I don't use measurements, so yeah, okay. Food coloring. These are the colors I'm going to be using, pink and purple. Like pink and purple. I use the pink a lot, so that's why it's almost halfway gone. Lotion. You'll need foaming hand soap. You'll need shaving cream. And you'll need your solution. What my solution is brass water. You can use contact solution, you can do detergent, you can use powdered detergent, eye drops I think. So yeah, you can use anything. Then you'll need a bowl to mix it in. And you'll need a spoon. And if you're messy like me, you'll need a napkin. You want to start off with your glue and put it in. Pour as much as you want into your bowl. This is gonna be hard to let you see. Wait. Okay. So, this is gonna be hard to let you see inside my bowl. So I'm just gonna keep you like technical difficulties right now. That's the good enough view right now. I know it's tricky, but okay, that should be good enough. Sorry to keep on moving the camera, it's just being difficult right now. So. And I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, whatever. That makes it difficult. Okay. Guys, this video is not turning out as I wanted to. That's gonna have to be good, and I'll just show you how much glue I have. I'm gonna move you back more so you can see it. So, okay, so that is good. I'm going to show you in a little bit. Sometimes this is difficult to close, so sorry if it takes so long just for me to screw on the cap. Just because it takes very long. And sorry that my head is not in frame. I have to be on my knees when I pour my glue. It's because it's so big. So yeah, that's how much glue I have. Yep. Next thing I add is shaving cream. I need to go restock on some shaving cream because I'm running out. When I do this, I see a lot of bubbles, so yeah. I have 13 slimes, and in every single slime I use shaving cream, so yeah. That's how much shaving cream I put. I'm not gonna mix it in yet. Next, I'm gonna be adding my foaming hand soap. I'm going to be adding 2 squirts. 1, 2. Next thing I'm going to be adding is my lotion. If you don't have a lot of lotion, I recommend adding 5, but be careful. A lot of lotion, I do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I usually do 10, but just for the video, we're going to do 7. Now you want to mix. You never, well, if you want a light color, you can add your food color before your shaving cream. But since I have already light colors, I add my shaving cream in before my food coloring because I don't want light I don't want it to be light. So yeah, then I just mix it up, and it should be a good consistency. So yeah. And also, food coloring is optional. Also, so I'm gonna be mixing these colors together. Pink and purple, like I said. Be adding 3 drops of pink and 2 drops of purple. And if that doesn't work out, I'm just gonna keep it out anymore because I know which colors I have already, so I don't want it to get colors that I already have. When you mix it, it looks so cool, cute. If I were to add anything like glitter or something, I would add it now. It's still sticking to the bowl, but it's not that sticky. But I don't want to touch it yet because I didn't. So see, it's not very sticky, but I'm still gonna add some solution just because it is still sticky. And since I'm not adding anything. So let me just add a little tiny bit, okay? This is how my slime looks now I'm gonna start kneading it just because, yeah. Getting not even sticky. Actually, it is still sticky, but you know, you just gotta knead it and then yeah, that'll be unsticky. Like, don't you hate when like you make a slime and then somebody else wants to touch it and it sticks all over them, but like for some reason it does not stick to you, but like people don't know that you just have to knead it and then it will get unsticky with you. So like I hate when people do it. Like, oh, it's too sticky, here we go. And stuff. So I hate when people do that just because, yeah. So that is my slime, and if it's not stretchy enough for you, you can add like some more lotion. But since I don't need any more lotion and I'm good, it's like pretty stretchy already. Be doing a swirl. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm not that good at swirls, but like, you know, let's do some ASMR. So that is all for the ASMR. I'll put some more ASMR on the screen right here. So yeah. And stay tuned for that slime collection. So now I'm gonna be putting my slime in my container. Home sweet home. And I'll be giving you a slime tour of my slime supplies cabinet. That I have my slime collection in a separate cabinet because I started to get a lot of slime. So I had to put it in a separate cabinet. But there's still more room in my actual slime collection cabinet. Just in case whenever I run out of room on that top shelf, there's a bottom shelf under it. And that's the same in my other my slime supplies cabinet. But that cabinet already had stuff in it, but I just moved all that to the top shelf. But the top shelf, okay, not top. The top shelf is very small, and I used to have like some of my slimes on the top shelf, but then I just moved everything up that was not mine, that was already in the cabinet. Before I made it my slime supplies thing, I just moved everything to the top besides one thing that was really big that could not fit on the top. Like, even if you tried, on the top, like, even if you tried, like, you would not be able to put it on top. So I just left it on the bottom. but that doesn't affect me because I don't have a lot of stuff in there anymore like I used to, because now I have a separate slime. I mean, cabinet for my slime. Yeah! So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!